Remaining for a final quarter, 4 minutes and 41 seconds, 60-65 in favor of Coffee Masters team.
67.
67-60. 67-60.
Tuloy-tuloy lang, tuloy-tuloy.
Ano na lang?
Yun. Oh ha. Galing ah. Oh, ang galing eh. Oh.
Nakalabang na tayo dyan. Alagaan nyo na lang.
Final remaining
Nandun sila sa labas.
Coffee Masters.
Ito na natin yan.
Masela, pick camera. Improvise. Kaya naman naka-live oh. Naka-improvise yan ah.
Warning for violation, number 41, Gonzalez. Back to the ball game.
LBC.
Back to Padilla. Labrador for three, using the ball there. Rebound na punta kay Domingo. Domingo to Gonzalez. To Santiago, 15-second shot block. To Santiago to Herrera and foul. Foul on number 4. Padilla, third personal foul for Mr. Padilla. First throw for Mr. Ferrari is no good. Still no good, rebound, opposing Domingo. Gonzalez for three, wala, rebound na Juan Ejelin to Labrador, aras by Santiago, nagmabalari si Labrador. Labrador na ilalim, miss pass, and same ball. Three for three, no good, rebound by Domingo. Espada Domingo Nagrero. Gonzalez to Santiago. Second shot block. Santiago Gonzalez. 10-second shot block.
Bola.
3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. Padilla to Labrador. Labrador for three. No good. Rebound by Herrera. Pass by Espada. To Santiago. Santiago to next one. Baseball pass. And lays up the foul by
Pero inantay nyo pa. Hindi na sa wala na ng foul.
foul on number 27. Labrador. Second personal foul. Bonus goal for Dexter. Next one for Dexter.
Tingin naman dyan. Yung. Hindi naman dyan. Shooter dyan.
Last goal for Dexter. Good goal for Dexter. 3 minutes remaining. 66-9 score. Padilla. Padilla naghanap ng playan. Penalty.
Pinante, dalawa.
Warning for violation of Santiago.
So, sunod layo eh. Yan.
First throw is no good for
Salamon!
Espada.
Bon, isa lang.
Final throw.
Okay.
Still no good. Rebound na tulog ni Santiago.
Baba na, baba na.
To Domingo.
Stop, stop, stop.
Domingo harap by Tilin. Domingo wala.
Biyahe na, biyahe.
Yung Labrador nagmamadali. Labrador. Gustong sumagasa. Nag-aaral ang papasahan. Bigay kay Padilla. Padilla for 3 points.
Stop tayo, ha. Stop tayo, stop tayo. Wala. Clamp niyo yung low ba? Clamp niyo yung low.
10 seconds shot clock.
Sipag bay, sipag bay.
Santiago. And
Wow.
foul. Number 29, foul. Kerubin.
Pasa lang, pasa lang.
First personal foul.
Okay lang, nice match.
Wala.
Okay na, okay na. Nangyari na. Depensa tayo, depensa.
Okay, okay.
Sige, go muna. Stop. Kasi na tayo sa loob, ha. Wala sila sa loob.
Last 2 minutes for this championship game.
Free throw, boy.
Foul.
Nice yan. Hindi tayo nakakain ng oras.
First throw for the brothers, no good.
Bola lang, bola. Roller, wala.
Second throw is still no good. Rebound by Ferrer. Aras by Kerubin. Nagkatumbahan pero walang tawag. Santiago to Dexter. Dexter sa malaksak. Lays off and no good. Napulot ni Tilin to Padilla. Padilla looking off for receiver. Nakita si Labrador. Labrador sa gitna. Umikot-ikot and nahilo. Na rebound ni Dexter and
89.
foul on number 29. Penalty. Penalty situation po tayo. Good 1 point for Gonzalez. Second and last throw. Good for 2 by Gonzalez. Labrador naghahabol ng oras. Gumit na and lacking foul. First throw for Labrador is 1 point.
Sabay, sabay.
1 minute and 28 seconds remaining.
Pwede ka magtatakbo, ha. Tulong sa loob, wala.
Second throw is good.
Tayo ulit. Stop tayo.
Gonzalez to Domingo. To Gonzalez, 15-second shot clock. To Carrera. To Gonzalez for 3 points. Padilla. Kerubin sa ilalim. Pinuwersa. Binigay kay Espada. 15-second shot clock. Espada tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Gonzalez. Intercepted by Telin. To Padilla for 3. Air ball. 50 seconds remaining. Timeout. Engineering Department. Tig-isang timeout na lang, both teams. 50 seconds remaining, 65-74 ang score. Kalabangan pa rin ang Coffee Masters.
Si Pres.
Pamigay natin ito. Bibigyan ko sila doon.
Hala ba, samahan kita. Yeah. LBC. Oo. Yan ha. Yan. LBC yan, LBC. Susunod na eleksyon.
Pagpipicturean kayo ha.
Wow. A picture.
Abangan sa
LBC yan. LBC. Yun. Ayos.
Back to the final 50 seconds of this World Championship game.
Oh, wala nang foul.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Gamit oras.
number 8, first personal foul. First throw for Oha. No good. Still no good. Rebound. Telin. Intercepted by JC.
Ingat.
42 seconds remaining. Padilla to Labrador. Labrador muntik mabitawan. Nagmailabes. Back to Telin. To Padilla. Padilla sa gitna. And lays up. But fouled. Third personal foul for number 29, Ferrer. First throw for Padilla, 1 point. Good for 2 for Padilla. Dexter to Santiago, to Gonzalez. Line ball, Engineering's ball. 28 seconds remaining. Labrador to Padilla for 3. No good, out of bounds. Coffee Masters ball. 20 seconds remaining. Dexter, Gonzalez, and fouled by Kerubin. 16 seconds remaining.
Shoot mo para matagdagan.
First throw for Dexter's no good. Still no good. Rebound. Nakakuha ni Telina to Labrador. Labrador to Padilla. Padilla for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Santiago. And time. Congratulations po sa Coffee Masters for winning this cup. Hintayin po natin yung awarding. Kayong pakain ni Mayor.
Again, congratulations po sa Coffee Master
You know.
for bagging the champion for our 23rd Mako
First time mo, anong masasabi mo, Coach?
Ayos.
Nakachamba din. Nakakain po tayo.
Hindi, maganda yung laro nyo.
Tanggal na tayo ng short awarding. We need to call on our graphical president to give us a short message. Mr. Christopher